Love from the very hungry caterpillar. You are so sweet. The cherry on my cake. The apple of my eye. The bee's knees. You make the sun shine brighter. The stars sparkle. The birds sing. My heart flatter. That's why I love you. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to buy this book, check description below. And if you liked this video, please give it a like and subscribe to join me on the next reading adventure.